She's a bad mamma jamma. She's a bad mamma jamma.
Bang.
She's a bad mamma jamma. Just as fine as she can be.
Not only am I going to show you how to make metallic green candy apples since Christmas is coming up, a couple of weeks I put out a survey and I asked you guys, what do you want to do? What is your next move? The top two was, I want to start a business. And the number one answer was, I just want to make extra weekly income. If you're wanting to make extra income, what are your skills? Do you have the computer skills to make these templates, or do you need a class on how? Do you want to start catering to luxury events and making their backdrops? It's a lot of ways to make money in this niche. You just need to know how. Here's a Christmas ornament. Here's a backdrop and the floor wrap. And content
Merry
to
Christmas,
advertise.
boys and girls. Have you been naughty or nice?
Put down in the comment section and let me know that you're ready. Just say, I'm ready. I'm ready to make these tumblers. I'm ready to make these sweaters. I'm ready to make these t-shirts. I'm ready to make these party cups. I am ready to make these water bottle labels. I am ready to make these backdrops for parties and events, candy bar wrappers. I am ready to make these potato chip bags. I am ready to make these backdrops and floor wraps for any event. I am ready to make these templates and grow. Or you can just make treats and stay where you're at. Valentine's Day is coming up. If you're a real hustler or a like-minded person that want to make that money and make these gift bags or make these gable boxes, you have winery labels that you can make for the wine for Valentine's Day. Put it in a bundle and double your money. If you're ready to double your money or make extra money or more money than what you're making, put I'm ready down in the comments. I need for you to put I'm ready, because at the beginning of the year, I am going to start one class only, and we're going to make everything up in that mug. For those of you who want to start a business, I created an ebook just for you, over 70 pages, on-demand videos. Come on now, your LLC step-by-step, your EIN step-by-step, everything. Go in the description and get that link and go purchase your ebook over at candyapple.tv. The only time I use Chef Masters is if I'm using the metallic and it's an airbrush food color. You do not need white with your metallic. So this is the green. And this is the candy apple recipe for 6 candy apples. This is my candy apple recipe for medium batches. That's 431. You can go over to Candy Apple TV and scroll on down, and you'll see this is for medium batches, guaranteed best user-friendly candy apple recipe for up to 6 to 8 plus candy apples, 4 cups of sugar, 3 cups of water, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. No headaches with the candy apple mixture thickening before you're finished dipping your candy apples. Subscribe to this channel for the best candy apple recipe in town, and that's no joke. And that's also with my caramel apple recipe. You will have the best of the best for your business. So use all of my candy apple recipes for your business, whether you're making small, medium, or large batches, or whether you're making homemade delicious caramel apples. That North Kakalaki caramel apple recipe can't even be touched. I can't even touch that, nor my candy apple recipes. Okay, let's get back to making these candy apples. Okay, so you tilt your candy apple pot, you put your apple in, you rotate it, and you have a pretty green metallic candy apple. We're gonna do that with all of them. You can just let your candy apple mixture just drip, or you can turn it, scrape the side of your apple, to your candy apple pot. There you go. You're just going to scrape the bottom of your apple. I had 6 candy apples, but I am going to dip an extra apple and have 7 candy apples. 7 beautiful metallic green candy apples. For the money sign, that's just for show, but if you want to make that, you just get a money silicone from Amazon and you paint it with gold luster dust. I'm going to try to come back on tomorrow, at least before Christmas, to show you how to make these. If you have enjoyed this candy apple tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.